Do you dream of a life where you can make money on your own terms without any boss or strict schedule? Are you tired of working long hours for a meager paycheck? What if we told you that you could earn $500 a day for free without any investment by selling AI-generated art? Yep, you indeed heard that right. Welcome back to another informative episode on our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can legally sell AI art and earn up to $500 a day, all without spending a single penny. And the best part? You don't need any special skills or knowledge to create these stunning pieces of art in just 1 minute. So grab your notebook and pen and get ready how to make money online with AI art. But before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do be sure to do so now and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new uploads going forward. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now before we get started, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever dreamt of making money while doing something that you love? Maybe you have a talent for art, but you've never been able to monetize it. Or maybe you've always wanted to learn how to make money online, but you're not sure where to start. Well, today, we're going to show you how to do both with a little thing called AI art. Do you ever wonder how computers can create art? Well, AI art is exactly that. It's art created by algorithms and machine learning programs. And the best part? You don't need any special artistic skills to create it. But why is AI art so profitable? For starters, it's unique and eye-catching. Buyers are always looking for something new and different, and AI art definitely fits the bill. Plus, since it's created using algorithms, every piece is one of a kind. But that's not all. The demand for AI art is growing rapidly as we speak, and buyers are willing to pay top dollar for it. In fact, some AI art has sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars at auctions. And with the rise of online marketplaces like Etsy and Redbubble, it's easier than ever to sell your AI art and make a profit. We know what AI art is and why it's profitable, so let's get into the fun part, creating it. The best part? You can do it for free and in just under a minute. Introducing Artbreeder, a free AI art generator that lets you create stunning designs with just a few clicks. Simply go to artbreeder.com, sign up for a free account, and start creating. Once you're signed in, you can choose from a variety of styles, including portraits, landscapes, and abstract designs. You can also adjust the settings to get the perfect look and feel for your design. But the question is, how does it all work? Well, Artbreeder uses a process called generative adversarial networks to create new images based on the parameters you choose. This means that every image created by Artbreeder is unique and one of a kind. Once you've created your design, you can download it in high resolution and use it however you like, as a wallpaper, a t-shirt design, or even a piece of wall art. So now, you've created your own AI art designs and you're ready to start making some money. But how do you go about selling it? Don't worry, we've got you covered on that as well. There are several popular online marketplaces that are perfect for selling your AI art, including Etsy and Redbubble. These platforms make it easy to set up a shop, upload your designs, and start selling to a global audience. To get started, simply create an account on the marketplace of your choice, set up your shop, and upload your designs. Make sure to include high-quality images of your AI art and write detailed descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of your designs. When it comes to pricing your AI art, you'll want to do a little bit of research to see what similar designs are selling for on the marketplace. You don't want to price your designs too high and scare away potential buyers, but you also don't want to sell yourself short. Once your shop is set up and your designs are uploaded, it's time to start marketing your AI art to the right audience. This could include sharing your designs on social media, reaching out to bloggers and influencers in your niche, or running paid advertising campaigns. With a little bit of time and effort, you can start making a steady income from your AI art designs on popular marketplaces. Then why not give it a try and see how much you can earn? So this was all about making money through AI art. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or turn your AI art into a full-time business, the opportunities are endless. Then why not give it a try and see where it takes you? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about making money online, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to be notified when we release new videos. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. We love hearing from our viewers and are always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.